Hey, I'm Marc Acton, and this is Cuddles. Can we say Happy Easter? Kind of like the Easter Bunny. Easter coming up this weekend. A lot of people don't consider it a major food holiday, but I think it should be. You can do a ham, you can do a smoked salmon, or you can do my favorite. What do you think it is? It's a herb-encrusted rack of lamb. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do on the barbecue. You're gonna wow your guests. So let's go to Raley's, pick up some stuff, and I'll show you how it's done. Happy Easter. All right, we're here. Hey, welcome to Raley's. This is my favorite aisle. Look at all that beer. All right, we have now found the rack we need. Pick that thing up. Throw it in the cart with your peeps and your crispy rice. Here's everything you need. Mint, rosemary, thyme, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper, lemon zest. Chop it all up. There you go. Look at that. Chopping it up nice and thin. Zest your lemon. Get that all in your bowl, okay? And then you got to add the olive oil. Come on, Mark. Add that olive oil. There you go, dude. Okay. Got your olive oil in there. And before you throw the rack on, trim off that fat. Then you make the paste. So you put your rack in there. Look at that thing. That is looking almost ready to go. Just paste it all up, all over every single side. And this right here, you cannot forget to do this. This is one of the most important parts. Whenever you're barbecuing something with bones on it, you want to wrap them up in foil so they don't burn. If you've ever seen somebody barbecue with a bone in there and just let it burn, it looks terrible. So there you go. Now we are good to go. All right, once your grill's been about 500 for 15 minutes, it's time to put the fat side down on it, okay? The fat side down. Let it sit for 5 minutes, go make yourself a cocktail, come back. All right, once you get your cocktail, it's been about 5 minutes. Time to flip it, and you're gonna turn the temperature down to about 425. Look at that, you got a great sear on it. Now here's what you can do. It's called the mom method. Turn this one off, the middle off. So medium, off, medium, mom, M-O-M. And I also have the foil here, because when you're cooking a fatty meat like this, you can have flare-ups. So you want to put a little foil down, let it cook for another 13 to 15 minutes. You want it about 120, and you're good to go. Whoa! All right, look at this. Look what you just created. Perfectly rare to medium rare. You take it off the grill at 120, and then you let it sit for about 8 minutes under foil. Slice it up. Impress your guests. It is the best way to cook rack of lamb. And here's the spread. You're gonna wow your guests. Happy Easter. Cheers.